maintaining this lush forest. Bats, the only mammals able to colonize an island. These island hoppers usually transform their new homes. As they digest the seeds of fruits, they scatter them randomly in flight. The spectacular evolutionary success of tropical flowering plants over the past 135 million years can be attributed to their reliance on animals rather than on the wind for pollination and seed dispersal. As the volcano grows, its lava opens new vents and cones and sculpts new galleries. These offer a perfect habitat for cousins of the fruit bat.